A bright, healthy smile starts with one simple goal: eliminating plaque. This sticky film of bacteria constantly forms on your teeth and gums, leading to cavities, gum disease, and bad breath if left unchecked. While brushing and flossing are essential habits, there's one natural method that's taking the dental world by storm: oil pulling. Want the best of both worlds? Here's how to combine modern dental care with natural techniques for the ultimate plaque-fighting power. Step 1. The foundation. The number one best way: brush and floss consistently. Yes, you've heard it before, but the ultimate plaque-fighting power comes not from just brushing or flossing, but from combining both consistently. This dynamic duo is your frontline defense against plaque buildup. Why brushing isn't enough alone. Brushing twice a day with fluoride toothpaste is essential. It removes surface-level plaque and helps prevent tooth decay. However, your toothbrush can't reach the tight spaces between your teeth and under your gum line, prime areas where plaque loves to hide. Flossing, the unsung hero. Flossing daily removes plaque and food particles from between your teeth, places your toothbrush can't access. Regular flossing not only prevents cavities, but also reduces the risk of gum disease and bad breath. Step 2. The natural game changer: oil pulling with coconut oil. This ancient Ayurvedic practice is making a modern comeback, and for good reason. Oil pulling is a simple, natural technique that involves swishing a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 10 to 20 minutes. It's safe, affordable, and surprisingly effective at reducing plaque and bacteria. How oil pulling works. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, known for its strong antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. When you swish the oil around your mouth, it binds to plaque, toxins, and harmful bacteria, gently pulling them away from your teeth and gums. Benefits of oil pulling: reduces plaque and gingivitis, freshens breath naturally, whitens teeth over time, supports overall oral hygiene, reduces harmful oral bacteria. How to try it? Choose high-quality coconut oil. Organic and cold-pressed is best. Take 1 tablespoon and swish it gently in your mouth. Do not swallow. Swish for 10 to 20 minutes. Start with less time if you're a beginner. Rinse with warm water, then brush your teeth as usual. Extra natural tips to remove plaque. Baking soda brushing once a week gently exfoliates plaque without harming enamel. Green tea naturally reduces inflammation and harmful bacteria. Crunchy fruits and veggies, apples, carrots, and celery help clean teeth while you chew. Aloe vera gel contains antibacterial compounds great for gum health. Limit sugary foods and drinks. Sugar feeds the bacteria that form plaque. Brushing and flossing are non-negotiable. But when you add natural plaque fighters like coconut oil pulling and healthy eating into the mix, your teeth don't just stay clean, they sparkle. If you're looking for the number one way to keep your teeth healthy, white, and plaque-free, combine the power of modern science with nature's wisdom. Your mouth and your smile will thank you.